Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Asana to Canva for marketing creative approvals, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project where you want to connect Canva. Click on the project to open its details. Now, locate the Integrate Apps option within the project settings. Click on Integrate Apps to see available integrations. Search for Canva in the integration list. Once you find Canva, click on it to proceed. You may be prompted to sign into your Canva account. Enter your Canva credentials and authorize the connection. After you've successfully connected, you will return to your Asana project. Next, create a new task for the marketing creative that needs approval. In the task details, look for a new option to add Canva files. Select this option to browse or create a design in Canva. After creating or selecting the design, attach it to the Asana task. Make sure to include relevant details in the task description. Now, assign the task to team members for review. Set a due date to keep the approval process on schedule. Notify your team about the task assignment and the Canva attachment. As the team reviews the design, encourage feedback directly in Asana comments. Monitor responses to ensure timely approvals. Once approved, update the task status to reflect completion. Lastly, check back in Canva for any revisions based on feedback. This seamless connection streamlines your marketing creative approvals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.